Welcome to Understanding Compiler Construction. A compiler is a fundamental tool in computer science that translates human-readable source code into machine code that processors can execute. This translation process involves multiple sophisticated phases working together to ensure correct and efficient code generation. Lexical analysis is the first phase of compilation. The scanner reads the source code character by character and groups them into meaningful tokens. Each token represents a basic unit, like keywords, identifiers, operators, or literals. This process eliminates whitespace and comments while categorizing each element for the next phase. Syntactic analysis, or parsing, takes the token stream and checks it against the language's grammar rules. The parser builds an abstract syntax tree that represents the hierarchical structure of the program. This tree shows how different parts of the code relate to each other, ensuring the syntax is correct and creating a foundation for semantic analysis. Semantic analysis ensures the program makes logical sense by checking types, variable declarations, and scope rules. It then generates intermediate code, which is optimized before producing the final machine code. This multi-step process transforms high-level constructs into low-level instructions that the processor can execute directly. This completes our overview of compiler construction. The compilation process involves 6 interconnected phases, each building upon the previous one. From tokenizing source code to generating optimized machine instructions, compilers perform sophisticated transformations that enable high-level programming languages to run efficiently on computer hardware. Understanding this pipeline is fundamental to computer science and software engineering.